Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to remove the bottom borders in Google Docs. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Chrome browser. Then open your Google Docs apps. Then create your blank document with borders. Now you can see here are my document and also has the borders. Now I remove the bottom borders in this document. Let's get started. At first, you have to go insert menu. Now you can see here are drawing option. Click this drawing, then press plus new option. Now you can insert a rectangle shapes here. Now I insert rectangle shape. Then I transparency custom transparency border colors. I choose red color. Then press save and close. Now select this. Now select this border rectangle shapes. Then go to image option to move this border. Then press in front of text. Now close this windows. Now align this shape to bottom borders perfectly. Now go to edit options. Now change these colors red to white. Select these shapes, then go to color option, then press white, then press save and close. Now you can see I remove the bottom borders in Google Docs very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.